Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another group of entries. So this first one is from Ginger Sowers, and this was her little card. And girly, all I have to say is, like, for recording or for anybody wanting to start recording, just have fun with it. If you're not having fun, then it's not going to be worth it. It's okay if you have bloopers. It's okay if you record with your iPhone. That's what I record with, your cell phone. I have a $30 Amazon tripod holding it up, and just enjoy it. You don't have to have a professional setup or big fancy umbrella lights or anything yet. You know, as you progress and find that you do like YouTubing, then you can get some more stuff in the long run. Okay, so let's get into her embellishments. Okay, so she made several embellishments. Okay, so she has this one little pom-pom trim at the top for the topper. She made this cute little like boy style one. It's got the little googly eyes on all the stickers. Look at the little bee. So cute. And then it's on, oh, that's like a thick metal. It's like a real metal. It's really hard, so it's like real. It's real. Cute little tag right there. Okay, and then we got this one. She did the little trim at the top. Tiny little tags. Look at those. It's got little eyelets on it that she's looped the string around. Little bunny stickers. These are tiny. Like, look at the size of my thumb compared to that. Super cute. Okay, and then this one, it's like an Easter theme one. She's got that Alina tag that everybody loves with the stitching. Little trim at the top. That little bunny, how cute. And she's got these little Easter egg. I don't know if that's a die or a sticker. Super cute. Little eggs, hop on. So cute. Super cute, Ginger. Okay, and then we have the die cuts. So she's got some little flowers right here. What's this one say? Oh my gosh, I have the hardest time reading words. What does this say? Oh, no drama llama. It would help if I put it down on something. How funny is that? Little leaf, deer head. Let's see what this one says. Thanks, party time, and then the little llamas. These probably go together. Super cute, girly. Thank you. This next one is from Becca Orosco. She's Becca324 on YouTube and on Instagram. And this is her entry. And I already, where's the card? I already read the card. Thank you so much, girly. Okay, so she's got little die cuts right here in the gorgeous little bunny stitched die. Look at that paper, you guys. She's cut it out in all sorts of different papers. And that one's like a different style bunny. It's like a side profile of him. Got the little Maggie Holmes paper as the bag topper. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a little like bunting banner style, like that you can hang on your wall. She's got the Maggie Holmes paper, the little, ooh, that's like a vellum piece. Oh, crepe paper, doily, flowers, so cute. It says create, love, love, love. Okay, and then these are her embellishments. Okay, so that's that little chocolate bunny that I was talking about. That's hiding behind. She got the little trim. Look at this. She's embossed the background paper with like a egg embossing folder. She's got these cute little paper rosettes, the eyelash trim peeping out, tulle on this one, little bunnies with bows, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that one right there too, hiding in the grass. And then she even decorated the bottom with a little grass fringe at the bottom with the bunnies peeping out of the grass. So cute, girly. The next one is from Teresa Gardner. You can find her on Facebook by that name or on Instagram at Terry_G. I will link everybody's information down below. And she's recently new to paper crafting. She's been crafting for a long time, but she's new to paper crafting, you guys. So these are her embellishments. Look at this. She's got those little like pearl sprigs, a little leaf and flowers. And she used like Wink of Stella to glitter it up. And look at these birdhouses, you guys. She's layered it. It's like super thick, maybe on some chipboard. She's got the little cage, Wink of Stella that up. Even the birds Wink of Stella it up. With the little flower clusters in the corner. That one's blue, and then this one's in purple. Very fancy. Super cute, girly. Okay, and then she sent in just like extra goodies. Oh, wow. Oh, look at, sorry guys, I'm not even framed. Look at these little like diamond gems. Very nice. So it's like a, this color right here, like a, almost like an opaque, clearish yellow. Then she's got a pink version of the diamonds. and then like a light green, and then a brighter green. How fun. Thank you for sharing with me. Here's some more goodies, little Dollar Tree butterflies. Yes, 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 with the pearls in the center. Then these Sugar Rush candy scented paper clips. How fun are those little like kawaii style paper clips? Thank you. Little clip right there holding her die cuts. So she's got leaves and like greenery, which I absolutely love layering with and peeping behind flowers. So thank you. Oops. And this, we got a bunch of different ones in case. Ooh, okay, so we got a little fairy right there on her knees. Little cupcake. Oh, look at this. Then we got, let's see, little like donut style one. Looks like a donut. Little teacup tag just for you. Happy birthday. Another little fairy. Oh, another fancy fairy. Make a wish. And then, oh my gosh, a fairy house. I think that's a fairy house. I would call it a fairy house. Super cute, girly. Thank you for all the die cuts. Okay, this next one is from Lissa Snow. You can find her on YouTube by that name, just Lissa Snow. She's also on Etsy and then Instagram. Oh, here, duh, it's right here. As Bangs and Glasses, you guys. So she makes like dangle charms and stuff. Look how cute. Little swan. And she has like an envelope, and she put her embellishments that she submitted on the outside, which is such a great idea to like save space. She got the little cute little, what's the style of this? Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart. Scalloped doily style. Oh my gosh, award ribbons. So cute. The little different trims right here. The little velvet, like probably from Hobby Lobby. Little chipboard stickers. Love this. Happy life with a little heart bling. Okay, and then, oh, I don't even have to rip nothing. See what she made. There's her little dangle. And then I know there's some die cuts in here. Let's see. So there's her embellishments. Okay. So she's got little die cuts. She said that this says, hello, I think. Die cut words in pink. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, look how cute. She made a little tassel and then a little T for Tony. Super cute. Thank you. And then look, you guys. Look at this little charm right here. So these are like heavy duty chains, not just like jump rings. She's got a little charm right here. Choose joy. She's got a little pink tassel, cute little black tassel. It says love. And then like a heavy duty tassel right here, like a goldish colored tassel. The sparkle. Yes, girl, super cute. It says made with love in the back. Oh my God, am I losing my voice? What's going on? Excuse me. And then she sent some of these super cute like mason jar style stickers with the flower. Oh my God, what is happening to my voice? Sticker style mason jars from Michaels. So cute. I love these stickers. Thank you, girly, for playing and for the extras. You guys go check her out on Etsy. This next one is, oops, oh no, it's on her. This next one is from C Westfall. You can find her on Instagram and YouTube by her name. And you guys, I saw her video. She just sent one of those tiny little boxes from Michaels, the photo boxes. Super cute. And look, she embellished the top of it, you guys. She put a little Project Life card, just decorated it. So cute. Let me get my little note out of there. And look at that. That's just a fun way. And it's not going to, whatever you have inside is not going to get damaged, you guys, because it's like in this heavy duty box. Okay. So I'm going to get into it. Oh, make sure she didn't have her address right there. Got her cute little info right here. And then she made a little memory deck. She's layered it, stitched it. Look at the little hearts and vellum heart sticking out from behind this gorgeous girl. It says Tony in the Scrabble letters with some bling bling. Love, love, love. Okay, so there's no address, but that's her YouTube and her Instagram. Okay, so her Instagram has a 48 at the end. I knew it might have been different. Super cute, girly. Okay, and then let's see. Look at another one of these gorgeous girls right here. She's got the little butterfly all backed on this, what's this thing called? Project Life card. Look at the little heart. Again, she's got the little stitching in the background detail. She, like this ticket style one is stitched on there. Love these little blings right here. It's like gold specks in it. Where did you get that gem? Super cute, girly. Oh my gosh, and then look at these. Ooh. Ooh, where'd this come from? Look at this gem. It's like so sparkly and ombre colored. So cute. Okay, so look at her little embellishments. She's puffed it up on like a puffy thing. puffy tape, and then she's layered the heart, and these will puff up once I take them out of the packaging, and she stitched it straight down the center. I want to try this with, I just ordered a butterfly die, and I want to do that with this. So, so cute. And then she sent a little goodie, these little die cuts that I do not have, from Tuesday Morning, and I love that they're pink. Don't you guys love that? Like, I wish all die companies would just make it pink. The little eyes, the mustache, the hair, and the lips. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, look who was at the bottom. Yes, I remember her showing this crane. Look at this. Origami crane, you guys. So dainty and little. So cute. I don't want to hurt him. Okay, and then she's got this cute little bag. It says from the Cracker Barrel. This is a cute little bag. Let's see here. I don't think we have Cracker Barrels in Arizona. I mean, Arizona. I know they're in Arizona, but I don't know if they're in California. Cute little tissue paper. Oh, no, you did not. Oh, look how cute. Queen of everything. I'm the queen of my house. Look, that's so cute. Little placard. Perfect for my new craft room and desk. Love that. That is so funny. Thank you, girly. So cute. And that'll wrap it up for this round of entries. All right, bye guys.